Hello guys, in yesterday's video we have learned how to perform CRUD in MongoDB, but how do we structure data for EL apps? Today we will talk about schemas and how to handle relationships like one to many or many to many in MongoDB. So today's topics are what is schema in MongoDB, and second is type of relationships, third is embedding documents denormalization, fourth is referencing documents normalization, fifth is which one should you use. So let's discuss about what is schema in MongoDB. MongoDB is schema-less, but you should still design schemas for consistency and readability. A schema defines the structure of documents, fields, types, and nested data. Common practice when using ODMs like Mongoose or when planning data models in advance. Now here is the example with address, like name is John, email is john@example.com, address is city New York, zip is 10001. So next topic is types of relationships. Now there are three types of relationship. First is one to one, second is one to many, and third is many to many. Our next topic is embedding documents denormalization. It will store related data inside the parent document. Best for tightly coupled data and fast reads. Now here is the example, like title is MongoDB tips and comments is this user ls text nice, and second is user Bob text thanks. Next is pros and cons of embedding documents denormalization. Now there are two pros, is there's fewer queries and fast reads. Cons is document size limits to only 16 MB, and it is also harder to update nested data. Our next topic is referencing documents normalization. It stores only the object ID reference to another document. Now it is best for largely or loosely coupled data, frequent updates. Now here is the example, like item is laptop and user ID is object ID. It can be generated by DB itself. Now let's discuss the pros and cons of referencing documents. Pros are it is scalable and easy to update independently. The cons is it requires join like logic in application and manually populate or extra queries. Now which one you should use? Embed if data is read together often and it won't grow unbounded. Reference if data is shared or reused and it can grow large or change often. Yeah guys, this is today's class topic. Now to build efficient MongoDB apps, your schema design matters, even in a flexible world. Next, we will explore how to use MongoDB shell and compass to interact with your data visually and via code. This is our contact details. Thank you for your attention, guys.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.